Also tweeting, I'll just quickly go through what he's saying. A feat that will be cherished for generations to come. The Indian hockey team shines bright at the Olympics, bringing home the bronze medal. This is even more special because it is their second consecutive medal at the Olympics. Their success is a triumph of skill, perseverance and team spirit. They showed immense grit and resilience. Congratulations to the players. Every Indian has an emotional connect with hockey, and this accomplishment will make the sport even more popular among the youth of our nation. Now, I want you to put in perspective, since you've covered sport for a long time, Shivani, you've seen the rot that had set in. How did this transformation happen? It began with a cleanup, didn't it, really, fundamentally?
Yes, it began with a cleanup. The erstwhile federation, all of the people who were the stakeholders at that time, who had kind of, federations in India were managed as fiefdoms, not as federations. So a lot of the fiefdoms had to be broken. Professionalism, a CEO type culture or a corporate culture had to be brought in. We had to go through the ignominy where players were refusing to take their match fees or any prize money, and announcing that we don't want this pittance from the federation and we don't want anything from the federation to have that turnaround. So we've really seen the pits as far as hockey is concerned, and it being one of those sports that is so crucial as far as our Indian identity is concerned, it was very painful to watch. So what has happened over the years is that Hockey India has come about. Hockey India has had to bring in a certain level of professionalism. Foreign professionals have been brought in. Now, foreign coaches are not a panacea as far as sports are concerned. It's not as if you get a foreign coach and suddenly results will start coming in. A lot of them find it hard to actually come to the Indian subcontinent and get results and shake up the system.
Across to Rajiv Sharma. He's at Harmanpreet's home in his village. Let's get a sense of what is happening there. राजीव जी, वहाँ क्या हो रहा है और अभी है कौन वहाँ पर, और जरा थोड़ा हमारे को बताइए।
जी बिल्कुल, हरमनप्रीत का जो गांव है, टिम्बोवाल गांव है, अमृतसर जिले में, तो वहां पे सुबह से ही पूरा परिवार जो है वो घर पर मौजूद था। पूरा मैच उन्होंने देखा और हरमनप्रीत के जो मदर हैं उन्होंने पाँव में चप्पल नहीं डाली और पाठ करते रहे। तो उनका कहना कि जब भी मैच होता तो मैं पाठ करती हूँ। तो आज जो वाहेगुरु के चरणों में उन्होंने अरदास की वो पूरी हुई। इस समय आप देख सकते हैं कि हम उनके घर पर ही हैं। जो हरमनप्रीत के माता पिता आप देख सकते हैं, उनका भाई है, और यहाँ पर खुशी जो है आप देखिए कि मिठाई खिलाकर जो है वो खुशी मनाई जा रही है। और अभी जो कि थोड़ी देर पहले ही मैच जो है वो खत्म हुआ है। और पंजाब में जिस तरीके से पंजाब जाना जाता है कि हर एक खुशी को बड़े हम कह सकते हैं कि बड़े पैमाने पर खुशी जो है मनाई जाती है, तो शाम को गिद्दा भांगड़ा जो है वो भी नजर आएगा। फिलहाल आप देखें कि हरमनप्रीत के ये फादर मदर हैं और उनका भाई है। तो ये इस समय आप देखें कि आज का जो एक बड़ा मैच था उसकी जो जीत है उसकी खुशी। तो ये देखिए छोटा जो उनका भतीजा वो क्या कहता है, देखिए कि मिठाई जो है परिवार को खिलाई जा रही है। और ये हरमनप्रीत का भतीजा है, वो भी खुशी मना रहा है। चाचू को बेस्ट विशेस और जो है कांग्रेट्स किया जा रहा है। तो अभी हरमनप्रीत के माता पिता आप देखें,
बिग रिएक्शंस कमिंग इन, बिग रिएक्शंस कमिंग इन।